Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a really sexy 69 Camaro Pro Touring. It's got all sorts of good stuff going for it. Got a great stance, great look, custom interior. It's a built 350 motor, 4-speed, 373 posi in the back. You can go to volocars.com and you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures top to bottom, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I was just reading all the specs. There's a lot to remember, so I'll probably forget half of it, so do visit the website. I'll tell you all about it. But this was a body off the frame. It has a subframe up front that was pulled out of the car. When they replaced it, it got polyurethane body bushings. The entire front end is new. All the, again, polyurethane bushings in the front suspension, but new ball joints, sway bar, gas shocks all the way around. Has Hotchkiss lowering springs, Hotchkiss leaf springs in back. So the front end is all new. You look up at the motor, it still looks spotless. The Muncie 4-speed was rebuilt. That looks real nice as a Hurst shifter. 10-bolt rear end was rebuilt with a 373 posi gears. It has Flowmaster 44 mufflers with crossover pipe, and it has an SSBC brake upgrade, 4-wheel disc, drilled and slotted rotors at each wheel. So underneath the car is solid. The car was built in California, and it's lived in Alabama most of its life. I bought it in Georgia. So it's a southern clean car. The body is slick. I mean, it's a sharp looking car. Boy, 69 Camaro, they really nailed it. They got those lines just fantastic. It's done in a Cortez silver. The metal flake looks like it's laid out real nice and evenly. Stripes are painted on smooth to the touch. You don't even feel them. Everything fits really nice. Boy, this is really slick. Really slick. That hood is nice and square. The doors fit nice. Smooth all along the bottoms. No bubbles. The roof's real nice. A lot of times in here it can be problem areas. This is all slick. No vinyl top. All new glass. Rear windows, side windows, windshield. That's all been replaced, resealed. It has spoilers. These are billet specialty wheels. I got the sizes online. The wheels alone, I have the receipt for $3,080 for 4 wheels, plus the Bridgestone performance tires that are on there. All the chrome and trim, like the stainless moldings, bumper's been replaced. We'll light these up later, but these are LED digital taillights, and it has the black anodized bezels. So the bumper's nice. It's all blacked out. Just look at the profile, the stance, and the way the wheels sit. Very cool. Door handles are new. Door jambs are painted slick. It has all new hinges on the doors. It has some cool looking, they look like a carbon fiber sill plate. Emblems, marker lights, front bumper, grille, all that looks new. It has H4 headlights. I'm not sure what that is, but some modern headlight conversion. The motor is a 350. It's been rebuilt, bored out, making it a 355. Polished intake, Edelbrock carb, HEI ignition system. It's got Elite Shorty headers, aluminum water pump, March pulleys with the serpentine belt, polished aluminum alternator. It's got nice stainless braided hoses. These hinges are $740 with the little shocks there. Really nice, cool hinges. I like those. Wiper motor looks new. Power brake booster. It is manual steering. Everything in here looks new. It's an Optima battery. Fuel pump looks new. All painted up real nicely. Car was media blasted. It was taken down bare, epoxy primed, and it has 2-stage PPG paint, base coat, clear coat. This door jamb's just as nice. The interior was completely gutted. They put sound deadener in there. They took the heater box out. All that's rebuilt. So it's all sound deadened and everything went in new. The carpet, the door panels, has reproduction floor mats. The steering column, it's a polished Flaming River column, and the steering wheel comes off. There's a little lever here you pull. I haven't taken it off yet myself, but that does pop off. The ignition is really cool. It's hidden in the ashtray, and there's a starter button under the dash. But it's got carbon fiber instrument panel, matched set of custom gauges. It shows 3,300 miles on it. The guy did say he drove it, and he said he would take it anywhere, the guy that I bought it from. It has the racing seats in there with the Sparco harnesses. The rear seats upholstered to match the front. Also has billet fender brackets here. Has a filler panel. Has the shroud. New wiring front to back. Original style wiring. Even the fuse block is new. So you can't think of much on this car that isn't new. I'm going to pop the trunk and then I'll hop in there and start it up for you. The trunk hinges. These are billet hinges. They were $340. Does have a custom stereo. Here's an Alpine subwoofer in its own box. Big giant Eclipse amplifier there. All the metal looks nice and clean. The hood doesn't want to stay up. The latch is new, weather strip's new. It's all painted up real nicely. The rear package trays, that mesh tray, that looks really nice. So let's hear what she sounds like. Yeah, the ignition, like I said, is in place of the cigarette lighter. You turn the key, hit the button. Dash pad's new. The light in the glove box works. Dome light works. The visors, the headliner, the mirror, all that looks new. The heater control panel lights up. I got the turn signal on. I want to check something out. Yep, it's got the sequential taillights. They blink across and they're LED. They're real nice and bright. I'm just noticing the pedals are new. The emergency brake release handle's new. Everything's new. It's all painted up nice. The mirrors are new. This is a pretty nice car. Now that I'm looking at it, it's a really nice car. The bezel around the shifter, the shift ball. Nice car. And as we come around, you can check out the turn signals here flashing across. That's a neat feature. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific concerns, feel free to ask them. They're more than happy to help. They can also make the paperwork, financing, delivery, all that real easy for you. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.